In the first class, we are going to solve problems on method of moving averages. And here, basically method of moving averages are divided into two types, that is odd yearly moving averages and even yearly moving averages. In today's session, we are going to learn odd yearly moving averages. Odd yearly moving averages means here odd numbers, odd years, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Okay, so look at the first problem they have given. For the following data, find 3 yearly moving averages and write your conclusions. Okay, we have to find out the 3 yearly moving averages and we have to conclude it. So 3 yearly means what here? Odd year. So we have to follow certain steps. Okay, so they have given years and sales in thousand. Okay, no need to write 30,000 like that. They have given in thousand, 30, 36 like that. Okay, we have to write. So first in the solution you have to write the given year and sales values. Okay, as it is there. After writing years and sales, the next column will be 3 yearly moving total, where we have to find out the 3 yearly averages. So next column will be 3 yearly moving total. The next column will be 3 yearly moving total. How to find out the 3 yearly moving total? By taking the 3 years sales total. That means from 39 to 39, 30 to 39, 30, 36, 39, 3 years. So we have to add 30 plus 36 plus 39. How much you will get? 105. Okay, 105. Then next 3 years. That means from 30 it's over, then 36, 36, 39, 33, 3 years. So 36 plus 39 plus 33 will be 108. Okay, then again next 3 years. From 30 it got over, from 36 got over, from 39 now you have to take. From 39 to 39, 39, 33, 39, 3 years you will get 111. Okay, then again from 33, 33, 39, 45, 3 years you will get 170. Okay, after 39, then again from 39, 33, again from 39, 42, 39, 45, 42, you will get 126. This is how you have to find out the 3 yearly moving total. See, after this you can't do. From 39 it's got over. To take 45, next year is not there, 3 years is not there. Okay, where we have to find out the 3 yearly moving total. The next column will be 3 yearly moving averages. How to find out 3 yearly moving averages? By taking 3 yearly moving total divided by 3. Okay, so 105 divided by 3 will be 35 and 108 divided by 3 will be 36 and 111 divided by 3 is 37 and 117 divided by 3 is 39, then 126 divided by 3 is 42. Okay, this is how we have to find out the 3 yearly moving averages. So how to comment this? See here the 3 yearly moving averages. Observe it, 35, 36, 37, 39, 42. That means it is increasing one after the other. So you have to write the above data shows upward trend. Like this. The above data shows upward trend where it is increasing. So this is how you have to find out the odd yearly moving averages.